Hello student, my name is Arpita Bhattacharya and I am a political science teacher in Gandhiketan Girls School. Today I will give you a short lecture on Indo-Israel relation. So my today's topic is Indo-Israel relation, and this is the part of your political science book, which is the contemporary world politics. So we will start. India and Israel established full diplomatic relations in 1992, and since then the bilateral relationship between the two countries has blossomed at the economic, military, agricultural and political levels. Both the countries see themselves as isolated democracies threatened by neighbors that train, finance and encourage terrorism. Thereafter, both countries also view their cooperative relationship as a strategic imperative. Now we will discuss about major issues or obstacles between Indo-Israel bilateral foreign relation. India publicly kept a distance from Israel till 1980s because the first point is India as a leader in the NAM had to maintain a close relation to Central Islamic land and USSR, or you can say the Soviet Russia, and it was a close friend of India. On the other hand, Israel has troublesome relations with Central Islamic land and has close ties with United States of America. The second point, India's large Muslim population was another major problem in building a relationship with Israel because India has more than 300 millions of Muslim population. So, too much closeness with Israel may hurt the Muslim sentiments in India. Now, we will discuss about major development in Indo-Israel relations in recent era. First, Israel is represented through an embassy in New Delhi and one consulate each in Mumbai as well as in Bangalore. India is the largest buyer of Israeli military equipments, and Israel is the second largest defense supplier to India after Russia. From 1999 to 2009, the military trade between the two nations was worth around 9 billion US dollar. Military and strategic ties between the two countries extended to intelligence sharing on the terrorist group activities and joint military training. As of 2014, India is the third largest trade partner of Israel. As of 2015, the two nations are negotiating on extensive bilateral free trade agreement or FTA focusing on areas such as infrastructure and information technology, biotechnology and agriculture. Relations further expanded during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's administration, with India abstaining from voting against Israel in the United Nations in several resolutions.